Today on Snowman Alberta TV, we're gonna see what we can start this with. We got our, what is this called? Boot protector. And then we got some sort of hairspray stuff. Car speed wax kind of thing. And some sort of first aid spray. And I know this will work, but we have this just in case to go brake clean. Alrighty, we'll try this. No, I don't think that's a go. Alrighty, well, we'll try the extreme danger boot protector. You know, just gotta shake up really. Oh, that smells good. Oh, yeah. I can try that. Clearly, this is good shit here. You gotta start up your engines. Use that. Well, we might as well spray some more shit in here. Try the little scene. Spray some of that there. Oh yeah. Oh. There we go. Should be good to go. This stuff works too well. Maybe I'll have to try beer on the next one. Alright, now we're going to try the old mat gas start. See if this will work. Oh, might help if you turn. I think that works. If you have the key on, it works pretty good. I think it's time to take for our spin in a minute. Holy shit! That was pretty good. Oh, America! Actually, we're in Canada. Fuck off, America. Alright, now we're gonna see if she'll keep on running with just good old shoe shit here. Like we tried it with map gas, it ran pretty good, backfired.
Why don't you pull start and then you hold it in there?
Yeah. Now we got her just fucking cranking. Fucking mid. Right. Yep, now we gotta clean her out a little bit, so we're just gonna... Oh yeah, see I like brake clean because she really shoots her in there. Like you can shoot her from way back, eh? This fucker. Give her a lot. Usually I give her more, but it's already been started, so it should be good. Yeah. Well, thanks to the NDP voters that welcomed the NDP in, they tax our fuel so much, so we can't afford that shit. So we're gonna make some radioactive horse piss fucking concoction here. You know, just some old two-stroke. Or is that two-stroke? It's an old vodka bottle, so it's hard to say. And this is some sort of gunk diesel fuel conditioner, so like this is stuff that's like you can't buy this anymore, I don't think. Let's try her out. There we go. Got her unsealed the first time in 45 years. Oh yeah. That should clean her right out. Oh, you gotta get some of that dust in there. It gives you more horsepower. Alright, well, we'll hang off on that for a minute. So we're gonna try some, I think it's Nobibo lighter fluid. You gotta... This should have some pretty good high octanes here. Oh yeah, get in there. All right, we got that. Now, I think this stuff should be pretty good. We'll get some industrial. Ain't, oh, we broke the can. Definitely made for child. Oh yeah. Ooh, that doesn't smell good. Okay, now next is we should get some more. So since it runs so great on this, we'll have to put some of this in here. Good old water boot protector, or whatever you want to call it. Make your boots waterproof. And you know, I wanna wax the valve. So I think the best way to do that is you just spray it into the gas tank. Oh yeah, that should be good. And then since safety is definitely in the top 12, you got get your first aid stuff in there, you know. And yeah, it doesn't really stop spraying sometimes. And then we'll just balance her out with some more diesel conditioner. There we go. We'll let her do that, and we'll see how she runs in a minute. Now that we're done fucking putting all our horse piss in there, you need to make sure you stay going. Oh yeah. Oh, maybe we'll make her run a little better too. We'll put some of our Sasquatch piss in there. Fucking, they don't sponsor us, so it'd be nice if they did though. Bird oil match. Should be good. Now I'll see if she'll start. Alrighty. Fuel is on. And we got we need to get, if one like nice fella would buy us a new handle, that would be really appreciative.